Hi guys, I have here an cell phone. This one is a broken LCD screen. This is a Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro, and there you go. This one has a cracked LCD. There you go. I think this one has been opened because look what got here. It might be pinched by a cutter. I don't know. We're gonna try to open this and replace the LCD panel. This cell phone is working, and the problem is this is the LCD panel. So I brought a new LCD replacement from China. So we tried to open this thing and see and replace the LCD. For now on, we gonna use just this plastic. I cut an plastic bottle to create an prying tools. So I think this one has a free prying tools here. Here it is. There you go. But yeah, so tools. For now, we just remove. I think this one's gonna be easy to open, so we try to remove this thing. I think it's okay to damage the LCD because the LCD is already broken, so no need to be just there you go. It's easy to pinch out. Look, and yeah, I think this one has already been opened. So if you have a phone and you want to remove the LCD panel, you can watch some YouTube video on YouTube. There's a lot of tutorials you can find to replace any LCD of kind of phone. So
okay, so I think it's gonna be easier. We need one. I made this thing 3, so it's gonna be a long video. Okay, and there you go. Yeah, this one has already been open. So oops. So I don't need the LCD because the LCD is already broken. So I don't need this LCD will be damaged. So
okay, it's been removed already. So for now, I will cut the video and I remove all the tape of these things, all of this tape. Remove the existing tape. They tried to put an tape in here, so I will pause the video and remove all the tape in here, the old tape that they put. So now I removed all the tape in here, so there's no such sticky tape on here, the one that sealed the phone. So now I will open this one. Let's put this away first, and we try to open this one.
So we have all parts and tools. So I think we do not need this tool because we already removed the LCD from here.
What do we have free? We have let's just open this thing. We have here This one, the prying tools. We have 4 types of screw. There you go. We have the Phillips head screw, the flat screw, and the hex screw. And also we have here look like a guitar pick for prying. Okay, with it.
And here's LCD whip and styrofoam package and seal. Now this one, we try to open this. And we have a box. There you go. Say
Samsung service pack. Nice. Okay, let's try to open this. I have to open it carefully so we not all damage. And we have here sealed with double wraps. So we remove it. Oh, we have an screen protector. Nice. And the LCD. Okay, there's something here. There you go. It's AMOLED and Samsung. So and here the key. Also all parts. Fantastic opening. Xmas edition. Okay. We have here, what is this? Secret obsessive type, dust absorber, and the wipes. Also we have the tape for this one, so we can test the thing. So we will put it aside. So we will test this thing. So I will check if this one is a real AMOLED. AMOLED is so very thin. There you go. Okay, let's try to use this thing. I have here a caliper. So this one is near 1.5 millimeter. So how about this thing? 1.7? I don't know. Almost 1.7. I hope this one's gonna work. So we're gonna try to. Okay, let's see first. 1.7, 1.3, 1.4. It's not the same. This one is maybe the packaging. So we remove first the packaging. So there it is. We will not remove this first because they said if they remove this thing and the LCD is not working, so we will not have warranty for this thing. So because this is also a tape in here. There you go. So that's causing the reading to clean. But I think this one is so very slim. So this is gonna be work. So we try this thing. So we will attach this thing and see if this one is gonna work. So this phone is already off, and see it has been attaching here. And there you go. And we close it and turn this thing on. And there you go.
Okay, we will wait. Sorry for the X light for my lighting equipment. So we'll wait.
And there you go. It's a baby in here. Oh, I have no passcode, but it's okay, it's already working. So we will remove all this thing and put it back in. Oops, there's something. What do you got? Missed call. They have a 2 missed call. So okay, let's try to remove all the thing. And oh wait, we just turn it off, so we can turn it off. Whoa, why this head up to oh, okay, just we just want to remove it. So I think it's gonna be a plug and play. Even I just removed the LCD, so we try to put it back. So so it worked. So try to remove first the CD and remove all of this thing.
So yeah, there you go. There's a warranty boards. Okay. Yeah, it's a void, so seems like.
And also this is all the tape, so it will stick on here. So we will put the, where did that go? Oh, there you go. This one, we need to put this on the top and the bottom. So this one, we're gonna use first the bottom.
So we need to carefully align this thing. Okay. There we go. We're gonna remove that first. So when we're working, we cannot turn it. Okay, the last one on the upper side. Okay. Then just eyeball it. Oops. Oh my god, it's still very sticky. So I use like this. Oh my god. Okay. So now we will put it here and remove the sticky one. So the first one, I remove this thing. Oops, remove this thing. So this one is the sticky part, and also this one.
And the last thing, we were careful to put this screen is because somebody in this one, if you put this LCD, sometimes it will hit this one button and crack the LCD, so we might be careful. So try to
Put this thing in here. Okay, that's very good. And we remove what is that tab. There we go. And there you go, we remove this tab. Oh my god. And we will put it down. So before we just connect, we must make sure that all the lines, so we try to test so it works. So we pour. Okay. We just need to align. Something is not being aligned. Come on.
wait. I need to remove this thing because damn, causing me not to see.
So that one. Wait, I think it's gonna be sticky tape for the warranty seal. And there you go. So we're gonna put all and
There you go. So now it's working. So now it's been attached. So I just need to put this in first.
so I can press the cans on this thing so we can see. So now it's
and it's working. So this gun now is working. So also be remind you, if you buy a replacement LCD from abroad, so I bought it from China, some LCD panel is not in good quality. So this one is my Asus Zenfone 3 Max, and wait, we go to maximum brightness, and some of this LCD panel, look at that thing, look at, there's a white over here, that some LCD is not perfectly flush in, so this might be out of let's see, there you go, there's a white line, so the LCD is not touching. Well, this one is maybe nothing, because we just only put the LCD. This one I bought with the whole frame, so the black frame on here came from also this LCD, it's been attached. So you can buy with frame or not frame, depend on what kind of phone you have. So this one is been repaired, and thank you for watching. See you for the next video. Thanks guys.